Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Children, in previous video we read the first chapter of your book Oxford Reading Circle, Birthday Present by Len Reed Banks. Today I will explain you the chapter, but before we start the explanation, I have some instructions about your homework. Students, as you are in class 6 now, you will be writing with pens, so you have to follow some rules. First of all, you will write the questions with the black pen and answers with the blue pen. Moreover, you have to write neatly, maintain your index, write date on every new homework, and make a title page. Class, as this chapter is only for reading, so you don't have to do question answers or any exercises, but you only have to write the word meanings of this chapter in your literature copies. The words and their meanings are given at the end of the pages of your books. And you also have to learn the difficult words for dictation, because there will be dictation when the school opens. Okay, let's begin the explanation. First of all, I will introduce some important characters of the story. Omri, the birthday boy. Patrick, Omri's best friend. Gillen, Omri's brother who gifted him the cupboard. So children, this story is about Omri, a young boy who finds a cupboard which makes any figure which was placed in it alive. The story begins with Omri's birthday, when his friend Patrick gave him a plastic red Indian toy. Omri was very disappointed with the present, but he didn't say anything. Later that evening, Omri was very excited for the presents from his parents and two brothers. He received his favorite toys from his parents and elder brother Adil. His other brother Gillen gave him a white metal cupboard. Omri was very happy to see the cupboard. He actually liked the cupboards because he enjoyed arranging things in the cupboards. He noticed that there was a keyhole in the cupboard. He tried different keys to fit in the cupboard but failed. Finally, one of the keys fitted in the lock. Omri's mom told him that the key actually belonged to her grandmother's jewelry box. Omri wished that the key would turn the simple cupboard into a secret cupboard. Now, Omri was thinking that what would he put in it. Gillen said that it was for the medicines, but Omri didn't have any medicines. So he finally decided to put the red Indian gifted by his best friend in the cupboard. He kept the red Indian toy in the shelf, locked the cupboard, and laid down to sleep. As soon as he was about to fall asleep, he thought that there was some noise, but it was all quiet. Next morning, Omri woke with some noise. The noise was coming from the cupboard. Omri was extremely frightened. He opened the cupboard and was amazed to see that the Indian was not there. He looked closely into the cupboard and saw that the Indian was hiding in the corner. So children, what actually happened was that Omri's wish had come true, and the key turned the simple cupboard into a magical cupboard which makes anything alive. Okay students, I hope this explanation will make the chapter easier for you. Now you have to read the chapter again and again in order to improve your reading skills and pronunciations. Take care. Allah Hafiz.